Hey, this is Frank from Frank and Tina. Today I'm coming at you with a different kind of video, but I need to share something with you. If you have auto owners home insurance, the best thing you can do is get rid of it and get another home insurance company. And I'm going to tell you why. Don't use auto owners. Stay tuned and I'll tell you why. Okay, like I said earlier, don't use auto owners home insurance. I don't know about their car insurance, but I know about for their home. We had auto owners home insurance on my mom's house, or my mom had it. And she always paid her claims, always on time. Don't think she ever had a claim on it, period. And then after she got sick and she was in the hospital and she went to the nursing home, and we didn't know she had Alzheimer's till after she died. But we found out that she had Alzheimer's, and anyway, she had died. We were going through probating the house and everything out because things were stopped up because of the coronavirus, that whole deal. Anyway, we were paying the insurance premiums. Tree fell on the house. We called the insurance company. They said, your mama's died, so we're going to cancel the insurance policy. And we're going to pay you how much you paid in for the past few months. We're going to give you that back. And we canceled the policy. And I said, okay, I understand that. But y'all still have to cover the house. It was covered during this time. So they give us, however much, not from the coverage of, they covered it supposedly from when we were in it. They give it back for the next few months. They cancel from that day forward. So they sent out a guy, and he came and looked at it. They hem-hawed around. It took 2 years, about a year and a half, almost 2 years for them to give me an answer on it. They give me their thing that said what damage was done and how much they were going to pay and all this, but they never would send the check. Then all of a sudden the other day, and with me calling them every week, just hounding them like crazy, man, why don't y'all do something? Tell me something. Tell me what's going on. The guy told me that, he said, you get that tree cut off the house and we'll send you a check. You send us in the bill. So I did exactly what he said. I would have cut the tree myself, but he told me I had to have a licensed company. So I got a licensed company to do it, and with company letterhead and all that, sent it back to him like he said to, and he said he'd cover the bill. Nope, didn't cover a dime of it, not one penny of it. And he called me the other day and said, hey, by the way, I'm sorry, I think we should cover it personally, but we're not covering, not a penny. So I've called them 3 times in a row and told them if they're not covering, the least thing they can do. And they said they're not covering because my mother was dead. Okay, that's fine. But they should at least send me back my money, don't you think, of every bit we paid in during the time that she had died? Because during that whole time, they weren't going to cover anything. So they took my money and didn't give me anything. And anyway, we're going to file a complaint with the state insurance board. I've got to do that right now. I've called them 4 or 5 times and left messages for somebody to please call me back and tell me what they're going to do. They won't call me back. It's been a week. I told them, I said, give me a week. I said, I'll give you a week. Not give me a week. I'll give you a week before I'm going to go further on this. And I'm not meaning to, get out here and just shout the warning whistle at everybody. But all of a sudden I started thinking about it. I got a responsibility to my friends and the people I know to tell them if there's a wolf out there going to eat your sheep, I should be telling you, hey man, there's a wolf in the neighborhood. Stay away from it. I'm not doing this to attack the wolf. I'm doing this to help my friends protect their herd. I'm doing this to help you protect your assets, to protect your money that you've worked so hard to take care of. Auto owners, if they can find a way not to cover, they're not going to cover. I've heard a lot of bad things about State Farms these days, that State Farm isn't paying out on this, isn't paying out on that. State Farm just paid out on our roof, and they did great. Their rates are pretty good, and they do pretty good. They're very nice people, very easy to get along with. And I've never known them to rip anybody off. Farmers, I've done a lot of work for them. Man, they cover on anybody there is. If you've got a claim with Farmers, they're going to cover if they're supposed to. They try to be honest. I've never seen a company like Auto Owners. Never seen a company like that. I don't know. Maybe they were cheap. Maybe that's why Mama was using them. But doesn't do any good to have insurance if they're not going to cover a dime. And by the way, to Auto Owners Insurance, we're going to be fine. I am going to file the complaint. I am making this video. But you're not my source. Jesus Christ is my source. Jesus Christ is my wife's source. We are going to be fine. Our money's going to be fine. There's no big deal. If we lose money on this, we'll make money. Somewhere out of the blue, money will fall out of the sky and land in our lap. It always does. Because God always takes care of us. He'll take it back out of y'all, and he'll put it back in our hands. He always does. So it's okay. But like I said, I have a responsibility to my friends and people out there I know. And I know a lot of people out here. This video may get 50 views. This video may get 20 views. This video may get 20 million views. You don't know. But if 20 million of you need to know, then you need to know. In my opinion, I wouldn't buy Auto Owners because they sure didn't pay out on ours. Tree clearly landed on the house while it was insured. The least thing they could do is give us back the money we paid in. I mean, that's the least thing they could do. But anyway, state of Georgia says they're going to have to, so maybe they will. But if they don't, hey, it ain't the end of the world. But hey, y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you for all the prayers. Thank you for all the likes, all the views, all the everything. Man, y'all are great. My YouTube friends and family are some of the most awesome people in the world. I wish I could watch all y'all a whole lot more than what I'm doing. I'm trying, but I wish I could a whole lot more. Love every one of you. Y'all have a blessed day, and anyway, don't use Auto Owners. Have a good day. Bye.